Hey gang, welcome to a flashback episode of Tomboy Beauty. This is the November 2017 Birchbox. It's the curated box, which means it was like personally curated for moi. So lots of fun items in there. Let's check them out. So hey, it's the November Birchbox. 2017. Like, I didn't jump to the future and like get this year's November because I'm a procrastinator and I had a few boxes floating around from last year. Anyway, the theme's ready for kickoff. It was all about kicking off the holiday season. I'm kicking off fall. That's a season. I also learned here in Chicago that Pride is a season that literally lasts like June, July, and August. So there's that. By the way, someone said I had greasy looking hair. So, in one of the comments, in the future, if you leave any kind of crap, you're just getting blocked. I'm not having it. I'm deleting it. Nobody has time for that. Like, let's all stay beautiful, as I say. That's not a beautiful thing to do. Anyway, let's get into these awesome products. I got the curated box in November of 2017. So we have the Juara Candle Nut Body Cream. I've had this before, and it's really awesome. It smells really great, and it's just a tiny little tube, but you get like 1 or 2 uses out of it, and then you're like, I really should probably buy it, but, you know, it is what it is. And then we have Smashbox Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's in driver's seat. Let's see what color the driver's seat is. So that's what color the driver's seat is. It's a warm pink shade that lasts, and it's got apricot and sunflower seed oil to keep your lips looking fresh and hydrated, because with matte lipstick, sometimes it looks dry and cakey and gross. Then we have Marcelle Hydra C Eye Contour Gel Cream to perk up those bags and circles under your eyes. It's vitamin infused with vitamin C and plant extracts that you can use morning or evening around the eye area. Then we have, I love Living Proof. Living Proof's just freaking awesome hair. Yeah, there's Living Proof on this. So if you think my hair looks greasy, yeah, whatever, I'm using Living Proof. Slash your hair routine in half. My hair routine's like basically dry and go, but if I can slash it in half, I guess I can. Does it all styling cream. Smooth strands, pre-blowout, tames dry tresses, and enhances next day tousled texture. What else do you need? Apparently, I need my hair not look greasy. Then finally, we have LAQA, LAQA, LAQA and Company Bee Lighter in Peacher's Daughter. So, let's see. There's a peachy blush. It's a cream blush. There we go. It's like a peachy glow highlighter. Yeah, oh, it's a blush meets highlighter. See, here's what's cool. Little info sheet that tells you all the products that are in your box. Anyway, that's everything that's in the box. Oh, look, it's my cat. She has a cone on her head. Cone shame, cone of shame. Yay, cone of shame. There you go. Follow me. Yay. Cone of shame, cone of shame. Stay beautiful.